What's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to my webinar. And this is Linda once again, guys. And I want to go through the Gbpusd analysis that I once posted on both the YouTube channel and also our mentorship group as well. So if you look at this is the GBP trade that we took, just to probably go on a smaller time frame. Let's probably go to the H4 time frame to sort of look at how far our trade went. So if you guys can just sort of like look at where the market is right now, you guys can see that we're pretty much like a few pips away from target, and we are literally about 30 pips or so. It's actually 65 pips to target, which is not really bad. So we holding around 300 plus pips, almost 350 pip movement right now. So if you guys can sort of look at this, you can see that we pretty much covered most of the movement that we had anticipated on the pair. So I'm just going to go up to the bigger time frames and try and show you guys why we actually took the trade. So if you look at this on the monthly time frame, we can see that market literally pushed up. So if you look at this, we actually have our push to the upside and our exhaustion around the 28,600 area. So we can see that we established a monthly support around 1.300. Sorry. So if you look at this, right, you will notice that on the monthly time frame, we've sort of had like a seller's exhaustion at this area over here. So the candlestick right here, we can see that, okay, the sellers got pretty exhausted on the market, and this giving buyers a really good opportunity to actually come into the market. You can see that we had a support area that we established around the 28,600 area, 1.28600. So we've pretty much had a support area which they failed to break. So you can see that the bears literally tried breaking this area, but literally couldn't break it. So they came to close above on the monthly candlestick. So now, the beginning of the month, we came back to test this area, and we can see that we've had more opportunities for long positions. So if we go down to the weekly time frame, I also noticed that we've had quite an interesting weekly close for the past few weeks above this support area at 1.2730. So we can see that we've had a doji, which all of this is an evening star. So we can see that we've had an evening star forming around this area, and we literally came to close above the 2860 area with this bullish candle that closed here and came back to test it round about here. So we can see that we actually tested the market right here, and from this point here, I was literally looking at longing the positions, longing this trade all the way up. And also, if you guys can look at this properly, you can see that on the weekly, the EMAs literally are about to cross. So we can see that, okay, we can pretty much look at more long positions on this pair, and we can see that we literally just broke the 1.3200 area, which we anticipated even on the website. So if you guys want to get more of our technicals, you can literally go to our website and see more of this move that we had anticipated. So we're literally here at around the 3350 area. And if you go down to our daily time frame, you can actually see that we've had a support area that we established at this zone. So we've had our support here, which market came to give us a fake out, but also was testing this area around here. And we can see them bringing it back up to test even this broken monthly resistance, which now is support at 1.300. We can see that, okay, they literally didn't just test this area, but they also tested the trend line as well. So for the past couple of days, we've seen quite a weird and strange movement on the Gbpusd pair, but that's only because this trend line has been holding. So all of this was literally a fake out. Market makers do that quite a lot. This was a fake out, and the fake out was literally meant to test this area around here. So there were stop orders that were placed here. Breakout traders were excited that, okay, we're about to go down. But remember, from the weekly and the monthly time frame, we had already seen that, okay, this trade is actually a bullish trade more than it is bearish. All right, so we can see that, okay, this was actually a fake out. So our team actually took the trade from around this area. So as soon as the EMAs crossed here, both on the H4 time frame and the daily time frame as well. This is where we literally came in after the EMA crossover. So you can see that the EMA is crossed here, and we came back to test this area. So this is where we came in with our buys, even with the team and everyone else. So from here, we actually holding around. So this is around 437 pips right now. So we're up about 437 pips on this pair, and we can see that okay, the trend line literally got respected in recent data, which pretty much happened between today and yesterday. So if you look at this trade, you will notice that okay, this trend line was respected like in most of the times, and you can see that okay, at this area literally came to test this trend line. So I drew this mini support that we found on this range, and they literally came to pin the movie that they came to pin the trend line, and this is where we literally added positions as well. So the other day I sent out a video on my YouTube channel, on the YouTube channel of our Regenesis company, and I said that after this range we literally found an opportunity to come in even after the breakout right here, and we also found a new entry around this area because we did see that market was moving sideways. So this is what we call a bullish rectangle that was forming on this market. So already we knew that okay, market is going to break up above, because if it's a bullish rectangle, we do know that market will definitely break above, especially with the monthly and weekly candles closing like that. So right now came to pin the market right at this trend line, and we are still holding to our target at 1.8350. So I hope you guys enjoyed the technicals, and if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button for you to get more of our daily updates and everything else. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys were able to catch the pips along with us. Okay guys, we thank you so much. Click on the subscribe button for you to get more content, and also visit our website for more information on our services and products. All right, thank you.